As a seller, once the buyer has made all of their inspections that they need to make and they ask for repairs, there's a process of what happens. So their inspection period is over, they either accept your property as is or they cancel if it's a hot mess and they just can't go through with it because it's too big of a thing, or they will ask for some repairs or money in lieu of repairs, maybe adjusting the price or closing cost assistance, so that they can make the repairs after it closes. So you do not have to, as a seller with our Arizona contract, to make any repairs. Just know that the buyer is able to walk and get their earnest money if you choose not to do repairs and they're not okay with it. So you might pick a few repairs, you might pick no repairs and give a credit, or you might do all the repairs because you just got such a smoking hot deal you don't want it to fall through. So we will discuss it when we get that. Then you choose what you're going to do or not do. We tell the buyers they have 5 days to decide if they are happy with what you have determined that you will or will not do. Then they can either go through with the contract or they can cancel and get their earnest money back. So let's discuss more. It's kind of a complicated thing, so we'll talk about it when we cross that bridge.